Hey guys, today I have a couple of flip cups for you. I'm using the Lukas Cryl fluorescent colors again. I just can't get enough of them. I'm working with a combination of Floetrol and GAC 800 as my pouring medium. For these pours, I've added OGX hair serum silicone oil into each of the colors except for the base black. For the base, I'm using Amsterdam Oxide Black in the first pour and DecoArt Pearls in the Oxide Black in the second. As you'll see, I had a couple of malfunctions with these pours. I got a little over-eager when spinning and threw the whole canvas off in the first pour and then threw the whole cup of paint off in the second. Mistakes happen. Don't let it discourage you when you're being creative. Even if I hadn't been able to catch enough of the flying paint, I could have always scraped it and tried again. I'm pretty happy with how these turned out. The color stayed pretty vibrant, which I love. Under the UV light is where these paints really shine. I love the trippy vibe they have. That's it from me. If you have any questions or just want to say hi, leave me a comment below. I love hearing from you guys, and I aim to be as informative as possible during my videos. So sit back and enjoy these flip cup pours. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!